Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 back. Got a 50mm Squire Leopord brass padlock with hardened steel shackle. It's 50mm padlock. One of many nice padlocks produced by the Squire company. I think this is the LP10 model. You can see the keyway there. Let's see if I can get into this guy. So we're going to go bottom of the keyway, I think, here. Get a tensioner in there. And sparrows right to the back. Nothing happening yet. I find these locks have extremely tight tolerances, very well made. So I'm going to click on 3. Position my tensioner. I lost my spot there. Let's try that again. Sorry about that. So light tension. Click at a 1. Slight movement there on the core. And I've got an open here. There we go. Shackle was a little stuck. Not bad. Tension on the core, guys. I've actually zipped this lock open before, but I tell you, it's not as easy to single pin pick for me anyway. I don't know if anybody else has experienced it. Welcome all comments, any suggestions, but it's a good lock. Like I said, tight tolerances and not bad product from the Squire company. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate your support. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a great night.